My name is Kathy Ann Teamer Campbell, and the name of my trailer is the Cookery a la Carte. I am going to cook Caribbean cuisine integrated with soul food. There'll be the jerk chicken, there'll be the fried chicken, there'll be the rice and peas, you'll get macaroni and cheese, you'll get collard greens, you'll get some things that I have made up from my own recipes. You're gonna get a variety. You may even get some Italian food on there. Never can tell. The reason and motivation for my trailer is my family, or my kids. They're all here with me today, and we've been through a lot together, we've grown together, and just the support that they've given me is just a motivational force. I am looking to take this business any and everywhere that it will go. I plan to implement it where it involves the children. So it's my goal to, yes, make money, but also be on the nonprofit end of it, feeding kids in the neighborhood, locally, abroad, anywhere that it's willing to take me. The One Fat Frog, my experience with the One Fat Frog, it was just an awesome experience.